It's health education lecture time for grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? Welcome to our health education lecture time. I'm your teacher Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Al-Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. As today is Friday, 22nd January 2021. Have a blessed Friday students. Our today's task is lesson number 1, not happy at all. It is the lesson number 1 from the page number 47 and 48. It is our class assignment. Now let's towards our class assignment. It is the page number 46 and it is the page number 48. Before solving this page, I want to share the video about this topic, and then you will solve this page on your book. Okay, my dear students, now it's time to health education. So all of you open your colorful book health education from the page number 47. The lesson number 1, the topic name is not happy at all. It is very interesting topic students. Not happy at all means we are human beings. We are not stay happy all the time. Our moods change with the time, with the situation. So as a human being we are not happy at all. Sometimes we are sad, sometimes we are tired, sometimes we are angry, and sometimes we feel scared. So in this topic, in this lesson, we will learn about our moods. So read the statement carefully, look at the pictures below, describe how you think each super friend feels. Okay, now we will see the pictures and we will tell us and we will share which mood does each super friend feels. In number 1, there is a girl. She is crying because her fish has died. Her one fish has died, so she is crying. It means she is feeling sad. Okay, she is feeling sad. In the picture number 2, there are there are two children. One is girl and one is boy, and their mother is happy with one, and the rest of the one child is feeling sad because mother is taking care of her child, and a boy is standing behind the mother, beside the mother, is sad. He wants attention. Same as it is when we want to attention, so we will show the gestures and we will show the moods. Now come to the picture number 3. Now we will learn what he feels in this picture. I hope so. He is scared. A boy is scared. Okay, he is scared as it is looking as he has lost in a place. He has lost in a jungle and he is feeling scared. And in the picture number 4, here are a crowd of so many students. So one of the student is feeling not well, feeling not good. She is feeling bad because they are showing ill manners. So the girl is in anger. In the last one picture is number 5. Here are two children on the computer and one is standing behind. I think so he's also want to share the computer. He wants to play games, so he is sad. Students, the meaning of this moods sharing to you, that the students will be able to understand different positive and negative emotions experienced. Okay students, now let's come to the page number 48. Now let's read the statement. How would you feel if you were Alan, Harris, Ajit and Lamb? Match the feelings in the yellow bubbles with each picture. Okay, student. Here is Alan. Your best friend ignored you. So, what will be the mood of the Alan? If your best friend ignored you, so you will be angry. So, we will match the word angry with the picture number 1. She is angry. And number 2, your classmates your classmates bullied you. It is a very bad habit. If you will bully someone, it is very bad habit, and when anyone will bully you, so you will feel insecure. We will match the word insecure in the bubble with this boy, because this boy is feeling insecure because he is alone and the bullied person are two. And the picture number 3, your good friends left you out in an activity. Oh my god. There are 3 friends are doing an activity and they are your good friends, and when your good friends left you out in an activity, so what you will feel? Automatically you will feel sad. So we will match the picture sad with this boy. He is feeling sad. Okay, students. Now come to the picture number 4. Your brother received many presents on his birthday. Yes, here is your brother. He received many presents on his birthday. So you are feeling, what are you feeling? Are you feeling jealousy? Yes, you are feeling jealousy. So we will match this word jealous in this boy. He is feeling jealousy. So students, now come to the our home assignment. Our home assignment is page number 48. You will match the pictures with the correct options. Okay, students, it is our home assignment. And have a nice day. Allah Hafiz, students. Have a very happy weekend. Inshallah, we will meet on Monday. Till then, Allah Hafiz, students.